I'm just thinking about marketing cloud personalization and the sitemap, like just like the client side and the server side, all this notion, I guess like having this background of IT and technology really helps once you start working with Salesforce products.
Yeah, do you know what? And probably even more so now, I'm seeing that when I was in Salesforce professional services,
Yeah.
it was maybe a bit different because the methodologies, for example, that we followed in the way we deployed solution and then kind of maintain the code and configuration was a
Yeah.
bit different. But these days, because we will now work across broader Salesforce platform, a lot of the knowledge that kind of gain and acquired and experience at the time
Yeah.
when I was doing software development, it's still very much relatable and kind of transferable to that. Because what I find with Salesforce, I've been always kind of a believer in that, and I
Yeah.
think it's true. It is a formal IT sort of solution. So when you configure things, despite the fact that you can do a lot of the work in the UI,
Yeah.
if you think about organizations where you need proper change management lifecycle for deployments, so
Yeah.
you've got like DevOps and all the other tools, that all pretty much standard software development lifecycle. So
Yeah.
you kind of have to know how configuration goes into one environment, then you promote the code changes, all this stuff. And then maybe one of the other things to say is you said having IT background was super helpful because I've done a lot of the work like on the front end as well as like middle tier sort of part of the applications.
Yeah.
It helped tremendously understanding and kind of absorbing and kind of relating to things, how the sort of applications work within the cloud.
Oh yeah, like the behavior of an application.
Yeah.
And I guess, that's very interesting. And I guess like to your point, like of being able to configure Salesforce by the UI only, I think like if you have like the understanding of what is happening in the background, you are way more confident in delivering good implementation. I guess like you can only manage Salesforce to a certain point if you only work with the UI part, to my view.